Hi guys, welcome back to It's Time to Be Surprised. We are going to open some mystery toys. I'm going to insert a picture right here about the prizes that can be won in the Shopkin 400 giveaway. Trying to get 400 subscribers. So check out that video and come back and you can comment on that video or this video. So again, we'll insert a picture somewhere here. So let's get started. Here is our first Shopkin that we're going to open. We have a cherry or apple here. And we have a cute one, the little cookies. Possibly these will be added to some of these will be added to the giveaway if they're duplicates. Duplicates to my collection. So I believe this is olive oil. Trying to get through these and we can pick out of a bucket to open some random ones. We got some strawberries. A little bushel strawberries. Let's do some sips. Oh, we got some sprinkles for some cupcakes or some cookies here. Oh, got a duplicate just in this video. So there's some strawberries. So we add that to the giveaway. For sure, for sure. Let's see. Try not to mess my nails up till it's only Tuesday. Oh, another duplicate for this video. So we'll add that to the giveaway, the Shopkin 400 subscriber giveaway. When we get to 400 subscribers, we have a bunch of Shopkin stuff to give away. Oh my goodness, I was going to say another strawberries. And I have some Shopkins up in here. Oh, we have an ice tray. Maybe we'll let Daniel pick out of the bucket to see what else we should open. Ooh, we got some butter. A little slice. Alright, the last Shopkin. These are season 6. Comment down below if you want to see the new Shopkins. They're called Real Littles. Been looking at those videos. They look really fun. Here's a purple mushroom. Almost said marshmallow. Think about some s'mores. And the last one is parsley. And I know I have this one, so this one will for sure be in the Shopkin giveaway. Alright, Daniel, what are we going to open? It looks like we're opening some Thomas the Train. We're just going to open a bunch of different stuff today. And you can comment down below which one you like. Ooh, we got an army one. It's pretty cool. Okay. And Daniel got me a Monster High Mash'em out of the bucket. I might request a Mario. One of my kids in class, he loves Mario. He comes to school sometimes with a Mario hat. Oh, so here's our Monster High Mash'em. Need to save these for Cammy. Haven't seen her in forever. Oh, so here we go. Our Mario. And we got, oh, we got a Mario hat with eyes. And he was saying, because Daniel made him a Mario hat, and it didn't have the eyes, it was just a Mario hat. And he's like, where's the googly eyes? So this is what he must have been talking about. So here is that. Oh, Daniel handed me a Num Num Series 3.2 lip gloss. Smells kind of like a icy, kind of. I know, Dale said I'm not supposed to smell stuff. Okay. Daniel, is there any more down there? Maybe a pot. Pocket sock thing. Get it open? Okay, Daniel can open that while we open the next thing. So here we got these at Claire's. And there's our options. Strawberry, grape, blueberry, and vanilla. The vanilla one looks like a little porcupine. That's pretty cute. Well, I guess you don't have to cut it. I'm gonna cut it. And these are little keychains. Looks like we got a strawberry one that doesn't smell. That's a grape one. So it looks like that, and you can open it, and there's some lip stuff inside. Keep it like that for a giveaway, or maybe for Melissa or my daughter Veronica. Alright. That's like a vanilla and chocolate lip gloss. Put that down here. Cameo like that. Alright, let's see. What else shall we open? Minnie Mouse, which is actually tells you what you're getting. It says we're getting a Minnie. Cute little Minnie here. And her legs are bendable so she can sit down. And we don't have that one, so we'll just set her right up there. Looks like we got Minions. And we got these at an entertainment store in the mall on clearance for $1.38. Oh, it's like a... Oh, it's just a little figure. Thumbs down. No way. Give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Alright. What else? We won't do a messy one today. How about we do another Mario Brother one? See if we can get a different one. And do we have another pop socket lip gloss? Oh, we got another one. We got the crown. There we go. Another one of these that we opened. Maybe we can get a different one. Peeking in. It's a different one. It's a strawberry. And I think that's a cat. That's pretty cute. Alright. Shall we open one more? Maybe let's open a Num Nums. Oh, we have a strawberry lip, and we have an orange one, and then a blue lip gloss. Set these down here. Let's see. One more Minion, and one more Monster High. And then we will end the video. Oh no, we got another one. The same. Thumbs up. Alright, duplicate there. Eileen, she likes those. One more Monster High. So, no duplicate or duplicate. We can always share. It's a different one. Blue dress. Alright guys, I hope you like this video of these random toy unboxings. I hope to have a Disney toy unboxing or something Disney related for the next video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you can like the video, comment down below, and go back a few videos and enter in the 400 Shopkin giveaway. Have a good night. Bye guys.